So Anthropic just had a release with their Sonnet 4.5, which they claim to be one of the best agents or LLMs for coding. And they also had a lot of new features for Claude Code, including one that I'm super excited about, which is a native extension for VS Code. It takes them a step closer to what Copilot or Cursor is doing in VS Code or Cursor IDE. It gives you a chat interface on the right hand side, as you can see, that integrates nicely with the IDE, so it's no longer a terminal CLI based feel, which is again fine. I think what they're trying to do here is to go after the group of developers and sort of users that are still using Cursor or potentially Copilot because they want a more in IDE integration. Of course, the current version is in beta, so the Claude VS Code extension, it is in beta, so the features they have is not complete. But I think it's a right move for them, because personally I use Claude Code and Cursor combined together depending on the type of task I'm trying to do. And one of the things I found is that the quality of work that I get from the agent will be different, simply because Cursor is using a lot of different models. They have their own prompts, and you're basically using two different products to do the same thing. What this allows developers to do is to, depending on the task, to be more surgical if they want to use the IDE to work on a particular function or a file, or be more autonomous and use the CLI tool to allow for more long sessions in terms of building. So I'm not going to say this is a Cursor killer and this feature is going to pull people from Cursor to using this, but I think it's a move in the right direction. My guess is that in maybe 4 months to 6 months, Anthropic is going to release their own IDE that kind of integrates everything together. I don't think they're going to have a lot of fragmented products, but this is definitely a move in the right direction. I'm looking forward to testing it and see how it performs.